In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Classroom quiz. We'll begin with the basics. The first thing you need to do is navigate to googl.com. Simple enough, right? Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that. You'll be taken to a page where you can choose your Google account. Select the account you use for Google Classroom, and then you'll be prompted to input your password. Type it in, click on next, and just like that, you're logged into your Google account. Now that you're logged in, look for the Google Apps menu, which is in the top right corner. It looks like a small grid of dots. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with various Google apps. From this menu, select Google Classroom. It's usually represented with an icon resembling a chalkboard or students in a class. Upon clicking Google Classroom, you'll be directed to your Classroom dashboard. If you've used Google Classroom before, you'll see your classes listed here. If not, don't worry, it's very intuitive to get started. Now click on Classwork at the top of your Classroom page. This is where you can manage assignments, quizzes, questions, and material for your class. Once in the Classwork section, you'll see a Create button. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with options for the various types of posts you can create. Since we're focusing on making a quiz, you'll want to select Quiz Assignment. This option is tailor-made by Google Classroom to simplify the process of creating and managing quizzes. After selecting Quiz Assignment, you're given fields to enter a title and instructions for your quiz. This is where you can provide your students with details about the quiz, like what topics it covers, how long they have to complete it, and any other instructions or guidance they might need. Now comes the fun part, editing your blank quiz. When you create a quiz assignment, Google Classroom automatically creates a blank Google Forms quiz and attaches it to your assignment. Click on the blank quiz to start adding your questions. Google Forms offers a variety of question types, including multiple choice, short answer, and others, allowing you to create a quiz that best assesses your students' understanding. As you add questions, Google Forms gives you the option to select correct answers and assign point values, making it easy to create an auto-graded quiz. This is a time saver for teachers and provides immediate feedback to students. You can also add images, videos, and links to questions, enriching the quiz experience and making it more interactive. Once your quiz is ready to go, head back to the Google Classroom tab where you've been setting up your quiz assignment. You'll now see additional options like choosing which class or classes you want to assign the quiz to, setting a due date, and customizing other settings. Take a moment to review everything, making sure your quiz looks exactly how you want it. The final step is to click on Assign to send your quiz out to your students. And just like that, you've successfully created and assigned a quiz in Google Classroom. Remember, after your students complete the quiz, you can review their performance in the Grades tab within Google Classroom. Here you can give feedback, return the quiz to students, and even adjust scores as needed. Creating a quiz in Google Classroom not only engages your students in a new and interactive way, but also seamlessly integrates technology into your teaching approach. So, try it out, explore the different question types, and see how quizzes can enhance your teaching and your students' learning experience. That's all for today's tutorial on making a Google Classroom quiz. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more educational tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital classroom. Happy teaching,